All right, hello. So I just got this radio in, and I'm exiting the Drake refurb business now because it's not profitable. So this is the last Drake 4 series that I'm going to refurb and offer to the public. This one is really special because it's a very high number in the 30,000s of a TR4C. I've taken the front panel off, cleaned it up. It probably could use some new knobs here and there. The panel cleaned up okay. It's not, I would say, museum quality or anything, but it's still a fine radio. So I have this thing now on 40 meters. And
the original Sun City. So, well, I guess it is the original Sun City. Del Webb built this town in 1960. Anyways, a little off subject here. W7JBM, and I'll give you a signal report when you come back. And my name's Andy. I call 56 Alpha Delta. Okay.
So it is receiving in 40 meters.
East of San Diego, called Pine Valley, 45 miles east of San Diego Bay. Very, very nice signal. Sounds good, the 520 sounds.
It's a nice quiet receiver too. So this is 40 meters here. See what else is going to scare up on here, if anything.
Yeah, I just tuned around 40 on this thing and had for a bit. Okay, Mary, we're just wanting to practice a little. Either that or we're just wondering that way. You know, people are supposed to be married and stay together forever. Who the heck came up with that rule? Because some silly book or something like
He's
that.
unhappy, isn't he?
It didn't work out so well.
So that's 40. I mean, it works. It's not. It's amazing because there's not a lot of hiss in this radio. It's pretty quiet. Anyway, that's 40 meters.
Somebody's around here pretty much every day off and on. So,
Let's try 20. There's 20 right there. Let's make sure it's on upper. It's on lower. Okay, there's upper. I gotta fix that light. Here's. So yes, it receives on 20. Buenos Aires. $58.
then you automatically get in.
So there's 20 meters. It works. 15 meters. There's 15. Oops. And let's see what we can find here. I heard people on here before today. I could probably get FT8 working on here, right? There's the FT8. How about calibrate? That doesn't work so well. There. Dirty switch. That's 15. Someone took out 2 of the 10-meter crystals, so I think this band is working. These are missing. Yep, I'm getting some hiss on there, so it's working. Anyway, the radio's not perfect, but it's alive. Go back to 40. Here's something there slightly. Back to 40. There's 40.
Hopefully I will be, but just in case. Because I can't take a lot of pill antibiotics to give me intravenous stuff. So. Anyway, and let's see, Tom came in. I've been reading a lot.
Let's try 80. Okay, 80 peaks so I can hear stuff on it. But 80's dead until the night comes. Until it gets dark and then some. 80's dead. At least around here. Don't hear a soul on here. Alright. So, yeah, this thing receives. It sure as heck does. I put a metal knob on here. They had a metal knob over here. I gotta find this knob, but they had a metal knob over here. It must be off like an old Collins. So I put this metal knob on the band switch because that's the switch that always takes the most abuse. So yeah, this thing receives. And it does transmit too. I'll make another video of transmit. Alright, well, that's about it. I gotta fix that bulb in there, it doesn't work. 20 meters. 20 meters dot 3, 14.2. 20 meters is hit and miss around here. FT8 should be, there's FT8 right there. So 20 is working. Go back to 15 again. The cool thing about this radio also is it has the updated PTO drive gears on it, which most don't have. So when they went to this dual disc PTO, they don't usually have the gears this thing has in it. I'm trying to show, okay, there they are, yeah. So no, you don't see that double gear on the other rigs. So that's a new thing they came up with in the very end. And that's a superior gear drive. It really is smooth. It's a lot better than the other C line with that gearing. This is the advanced gear, so I'm really happy with that. All right, so this rig is pretty clean. I'm just getting out of refurbing Drakes now, so I'm going to fix this one up a little bit. I'm not going to kill myself on it, but looks like it does receive. I got it back to doing that, and I'll give it a bit of a tune-up and check the transmit. If that works, we're good to go. I pulled the TR relay out, cleaned it up. Pulled some tubes out, cleaned up some tubes, sockets, replaced a few tubes, and it looks like it's back in action. So it's a pretty good radio. It's one of the cleaner ones I've ever seen. It could probably use a good chassis cleaning. I haven't really cleaned the chassis in this thing too much. I've cleaned the front panel like crazy, but not the chassis. If I can find my knob collection, I'm going to put some new knobs in this thing, and it's going to go on eBay. So that's it. I'm not going to be fixing any more Drake Series 4. I'm just going to let them go. My power supply is already sold. And I can't run this radio anyway without a power supply, so I'm borrowing the power supply for a day or two from the new owner who lives in Florida. All right, so thanks for watching. This is a very late model TR4C, and you might say, how late is late? I don't know if the serial number is showing up. There it is. 37177. This thing is really late. It's very nice. All right, peeps. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.